Hello students, this is Rekha. Today we will do class 10 11th chapter areas related to circles exercise 11.1 12th question. Two army ships for underwater rocks. Okay, the lighthouse spread a red color light over the sector of angle 80 degree to the distance 16.5 kilometer. Find the area of the sea over which the ships are warmed. This is the question. So this is the red color light. Okay, this light distance how much is there? 16.5 kilometers there. Year degree how much is there? 80 degrees there. So how much area this light will spread? This is the question. Okay, so here we will find the area of the sector, means we will get the distance. Okay, see here, area of the sea over the ships are warmed. Okay, so now we will find the area of sector. Area of sector here, theta how much degree? 80 degree. Radius how much? 16.5 kilometer. Okay, now we will find area of sector. Area of sector formula what? Theta by 360 into pi r square. Okay, now see here, theta how much degree? 80 degree. 80 by 360 into pi value is given 3.14. Right here 3.14 into radius how much? 16.5 into 16.5. Now cancel. See here 0 0 cancel. 4 to the 8, 4 9s are 36. Okay, now any cancel chances there? See, 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15, 1 remain, 0.35s are 15. Again see, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, 1 remain, 0.35s are 15. Okay, what is remain? First we will write 2 into 3.14 into 5.5 into 5.5. So these all multiplied means we will get 189.97. This is which one? Kilometer. So we will write kilometer area finding. So we will write 189.97 kilometer square is the answer. Simple question this. Now 13th question. A round table covers 6 equal designs. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 designs as shown in the figure. If the radius is covered 28 centimeter, here radius how many centimeter? 28 centimeter. Find the cost of the making design at the rate of 0.35 per centimeter square. 1 centimeter square 0.35 rupees. Okay, now we will find what is the cost. We will find how to find the cost. First we will find one design area. Okay, one design area first we will find. One design area into here how many designs are there? 6 designs are there. One design area into 6 means this full 6 designs area you will get. That into 0.35 rupees multiplied means you will get the answer. This is the question. So first we will find a one design area of one design. So here design which shape is design area which place is there? It is the segment. This design is a segment. Segment area finding, what is the formula? Sector minus triangle means you will get a segment. So one design you want, area of one design is equal to area of sector. This full sector to this triangle we will minus means we will get a one design area. So now write the formula. Area of one design is equal to area of sector minus area of triangle AOB. So first here how much degree is there? We don't know. First we will find the degree. How you will find the degree? Full circle means how much degree? 360 degree. So 360 divided by here how many designs? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So how many equal parts? 6 equal parts. So divided by 6. Okay, 6 1 is 6, 6 6 is 36, 0. So here how much degree? 60 degree. Okay, here degree is the 60 degree. So 60 degree means first area of sector we will write. Area of sector means which formula? Theta by 360 into pi r square minus, now carefully listen, here 60 degrees there. This is the equilateral triangle. Why equilateral triangle? These two sides are equal. Why means it is a radius. Two sides equal means opposite angles also equal. So now 180 minus 60 means you will get 120 degree. This 120 degree divide equally. So here also 60 degree. So here also 60 degrees. So this is the equilateral triangle. So equilateral triangle, area of equilateral triangle formula what? Root 3 by 4 a square. Already we did this equilateral triangle is there, means what is the formula we will use. So root 3 by 4 a square, this is the answer. Okay, now carefully listen. Area of this one design equal to this sector to this triangle we will minus. So sector means theta by 360 into pi r square minus this which triangle? Equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means root 3 by 4 a square. Okay, this simplified means one design area we will get. Here theta means how much degree? 60 degree. 60 by 360 into pi value is given, pi value not given. Not given means we will write 22 by 7 into what is the radius? 28 radius. 28 into 28 minus root 3 value is given 1.7 by 4. So A means side of the triangle. So how much is there? 28 into 28. Now see 0 0 cancel, 6 1 ja 6 6 ja. Okay. Next see here 2 11s, 2 3s. Anything remain? 7 1 ja 7, 7 4s 28. Okay, now see here 11 into 4 into again anything chance? No. So what is remain? 11 into 4 into 28 divided by 3 remain minus here any chance? 4 7s 28. Okay, now so now what is remain? 1.7 into 7 into 28. Now see here 11 4s 44. 44 into 28. 28 into we will do 44. 8 4s 32. 4 2s 8 9 10 11. So 1 1 2. So 2 3 2 1. 1 2 3 2. Here you will get 1 2 3 2. Carefully listen. Here you will get 1 2 3 2 divided by 3. 1 2 3 2 divided by 3 minus 1.7 into 7 into 28. This multiplied means you will get 333.2. Okay, now here down nothing means what? 1. So now what we will take? LCM we will take. So now take LCM. What is the LCM? 3 LCM. 3 LCM means here 1 here into 3. Now see here 1 means you will get 1 2 3 2 minus 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9 9 9. Okay. Now carefully listen here. This 2 will do minus. See here 1 2 3 2.0. 999.6. Okay. 10 minus 6 4. Here 2 remain. Next here 2 remain. Here 2 9 10 11 12. What is remain? 3 remain. 2 remain. 232.4. 232.4 by 3. This is the area of one design. So you keep one side. This is area of one design. You keep one side. Next we will find this is 6 designs area we will find. Now carefully listen. Area of 6 designs. 6 designs. 6 designs is equal to one design area. How much is there? 232.4 by 3 into 6 designs means we will take into 6. Now any cancel possible? 3 1s are 3 2s are. Okay. Now 232.4 into 2 remain. Okay. Into 2 means here 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. 464.8 centimeter square. So this is also centimeter square. So this is a one design area. This is a 6 designs area. But now we want a cost. Okay. 1 centimeter square how many rupees? 0.35 rupees. Okay. Now we will write finally cost of, right here, cost of making design is equal to see here total area how much is there? 464.8 into 1 square meter how many rupees is there? 0.35. This 2 multiplied means you will get the answer. So what is the answer is there? This 2 multiplied means we will get 162.68 you will get. This is the rupees. So this 2 multiplied means you will get 162.68 rupees. This is our final answer. So once again I will repeat. See, first we will find one design area. One design area you will get like this 232.4 by 3 centimeter square. Next, this answer into 6 we did means we will get this full 6 designs area. This 6 designs area you will get this answer. This answer into 0.35. This multiplied means you will get amount of 162 rupees 68 paisa is the answer. Now 14th question, tick the correct answer in the following. Okay, area of the sector of the angle is P degree. So sector, how much degree is there? P. Okay, here degree is the P. In each of the circle, which radius is the R. Okay, here degree is the P and radius is the R. Okay, now we will find in these 4 options which answer is the correct. Now first we will write the area of sector formula. Area of sector formula what? Theta by 360 into pi r square. This is the area of sector formula. Okay, here theta means what? P. Okay, theta is equal to P. Radius is equal to capital R. Okay, so theta means what we will take? P by 360 into pi. Radius means we will take R square. Okay, now 4 options you observe. So this is the 180 is there, this is the 180 is there. So no chance this one also, this one also. Next, this option you observe, here 2 pi r is there. So this is also no chance. Third one also no chance. Fourth one you observe here. Now carefully listen here. See here what I am doing, multiplying numerator plus 2, denominator plus also 2. So multiply means what happens? P into 2 pi r square divided by 362 is 720. Now you observe P by 720, P by 720 into 2 pi r square. This is the correct answer. Numerator plus denominator plus same number, multiplying and dividing both places, numerator plus denominator plus both number taking means no changes in this value. So now what you will get? P into 2 pi r square divided by 360 into 2 is 720. So now which option is correct? Option D is the correct. This is the last question of this chapter. Next we will meet next video. Again, you have any doubt also comment it and subscribe my channel. Done.